Nature is so powerful that sometimes it can leave you at a loss for words, taking your breath away. Only allowing you to feel the abundance that it brings to you, thereby creating a story worthy of telling. Dzükou Valley of Nagaland, India is a story that must be heard, seen and felt by all. So, if you like stories of different places, do subscribe for more. And until then, continue with this one.